There is a very nice story, as several times perhaps recited, that one morning in the Western countries also fair takes place, some in county, some village place. So in India there are weekly bazaar, which is called haat. So at that time the salesmen with their goods, commodities, they assemble and many purchasers, they are just like in marketplace. So there was a market, weekly market, and thousands of people assembled there. So one old lady of that village, she began to cry. Then her elderly son inquired, "Mother, why you are crying?" "Now, where shall I accommodate all these people to lie down at night? There are so many people in this village, and how I shall accommodate?" The son began to laugh. "My dear mother, you don't bother. It will be all arranged." "No, my dear son, I am very much perplexed." So he began to cry. So in the evening, the son called the mother. "Mother, now you see in the marketplace." Oh, she saw, "Oh, where are all those people gone?" Huh? So there is arrangement. All those thousands of people assembled in the market, they have got their sleeping place, they have got their eating place. So by arrangement, there is arrangement. Similarly, there may be millions and millions of living entities. God has arrangement.